According to a recent survey, around 50% to 60% hirings in India happen through naukri.com, which means a significant number of people are getting jobs from naukri.com. If you ask any recruiter, they will also say that their preferred platform to source candidates is naukri.com. And I am not the only one saying it. If you go through my YouTube channel or my Instagram profile, you will see a lot of comments from people saying that they got their job from naukri.com. But you are not getting any jobs or interview calls from Naukri. Don't worry, we'll fix that in this video. Just make sure that you subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. This is your job search coach Charul Sharma, and we'll explore how to get interview calls and job offers from naukri.com. So understand this, when you make a profile on naukri.com, you are added to the Naukri database or Resdex, where recruiters or hiring managers could search and find relevant candidates for their roles. And there are two ways of getting a job through naukri.com. One is applying to jobs on naukri.com's platform, and the second is to be present in the Naukri database and let recruiters search for you. Now for this, you need to make sure that you have a high discovery rate and you appear in the recruiters search results. And you can do this by following my strategy. Now the first thing that you need to take care of is completing your profile 100%. You need to add in all your details like your educational qualification, your experience, your projects, certifications, your key skills, as well as your profile picture. Naukri says that profiles with pictures have a 40% higher chance of getting recruiters' attention, and they're not wrong. So make sure you complete all these details. Now the second thing is add all relevant keywords. For this, I would recommend you to read all the job descriptions related to your role, find out all the different keywords that they are using for the same skill, and incorporate all those keywords in your Naukri profile as well as your resume. Make sure that you're not missing out on anyone, because ATS might mistake it and they might only be focusing on a very specific keyword that you have missed in your resume or your Naukri profile. After you've added all the important keywords and you have put them and sprinkled them all over your Naukri profile, you are almost done. After you've added all the details, all the relevant skills and keywords, make sure you add your total number of years of experience at the top in bold. See, no one has time to add up your individual experiences and find out what's your total years of experience. Now, when you're attaching your resume on your Naukri profile, make sure it's in a PDF format and not in the Google Doc or Word doc format, because Word doc renders differently on different systems, and PDF, it's the same everywhere. Also check the accessibility of the PDF, it will help with the ATS. Another issue with your resume, especially freshers, is that the entire college uses the same standard resume format for applying to jobs. Now you won't be able to stand out and it will be very generic. This is the resume format I want you to use in all your job applications. I'll attach this link in my description, so make sure you download it and make your resume using this format. The next thing that you need to take care of is being active on Naukri. And for this, you need to visit your account frequently. I would suggest 2 times a day. One in the morning 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. and one in the afternoon or evening, say 7 or 8 p.m. Make small changes in your Naukri profile and your resume every day around 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. so that your profile ranks at the top. This is because Naukri ranks the profile who are most active at the top. Now add all the other relevant details like your salary as well as your location and your notice period. For location, what I do is I put a current location, and then in the preferred location I put 3 to 4 different locations so that my profile comes to the recruiter's attention whenever they are searching for all these locations. For example, if you are searching for a job in Delhi NCR region, make sure you put Delhi NCR, New Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida and all the other nearby areas that are in the range of 50 kilometers from that area. A lot of you get stuck at the notice period. Now, if you have a longer notice period, say 90 days, please don't mention this in your Naukri profile, because for most roles, recruiters are looking for immediate talent and they will scroll past your profile and not even consider you for the role. I would recommend you put 60 days notice period and put it as negotiable. Once you get an offer, don't put your last working day there, just put serving notice period, and once you get more calls and you are in the final days of your notice period, then you can update that. The next thing you need to take care of is your CTC. You need to mention it, but make sure that you experiment and find out if you are fitting in the right bracket so that you start getting call from recruiters. If you fall in the higher salary bracket, I would recommend you just put in your fixed CTC there so that you get calls from all the recruiters. If you have a low CTC, make sure you put your total CTC there and you don't bifurcate your fixed as well as your variable CTC. Now, if you've done everything that I mentioned in your Naukri profile, you just need to do one more thing. Wait with patience. So you'll not see results in first or second day, but eventually when you'll understand and test and try different keywords and you'll find what works and what doesn't work with your profile, how you need to update location, how you need to make small changes in your profile every day, eventually start getting calls and even you will start getting job offers via Naukri. Just make sure you're seeing all the analytics your Naukri profile has. For example, what were the total searches, how many recruiters searched for you, what were the top keywords that recruiters used to search for you, and also what all recruiters have taken action on your profile. If you're keeping a track of everything that's happening on your Naukri profile and you're making changes accordingly, you will eventually land a job. By following these tricks, your profile will land in the recruiter's search results. But if you are applying on jobs via Naukri, I would recommend doing that in the first 24 hours of when the job was posted. If you're applying on Naukri on say 4th day or 5th day, you'll not get response from them. Because most of the time, resume shortlisting and interview screening is done by that time. So make sure you are the early applicant when applying for jobs. Promise me that you'll make all these changes on your Naukri profile today only. Also, make sure that you're not just relying on naukri.com. You need to diversify your strategy, as I tell you always. So, while you're spending time on naukri.com, on LinkedIn or other job portals, make sure you network the right way and you reach out to people for referrals as well. I'll meet you in the next video where we'll explore other ways to apply for jobs. Till then, make sure that your Naukri profile is optimized.